In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload thumbnails for your YouTube videos in 2020. As you can see right there, I've actually got thumbnails enabled on my channel, and I'm actually using thumbnails for all of my videos because thumbnails are extremely important in order to get views on your videos. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get thumbnails on your YouTube videos. So for some of you, this will take some more time because you actually need to enable thumbnails, but for others it's quite simple. So I'm just going to show you both ways. So you simply want to go to your YouTube studio. You can do this on your phone as well, and you want to click on the edit icon from the video that you want to select a thumbnail for. So click on the edit icon, and then you pretty much want to go to the video details. You want to scroll down, and then right there you'll see the thumbnail section. So these are like selected thumbnails by YouTube. These are suggestions, but I recommend you enable thumbnails yourself so that you can actually choose a custom file. So you simply want to upload a file right there. Because I already have one, it's going to say change, but normally right there it will say upload thumbnail. You then want to simply click on that. So for now, I'm just going to click on change, and then right there you can select any other file. So I can click right there, click on open, and then you want to click on save right there if that's the thumbnail that you want to select. Now if this is not showing up for you yet, then you want to go to youtube.com. You want to click on your profile icon, and you want to click on settings, and then click on channel status and features, because you actually need to enable thumbnails first. Okay, if I just scroll down, you'll see all of these different YouTube features. Right there you'll see custom thumbnails, and as you can see right there, I actually have this enabled. Chances are, if it's not showing up for you right there, if only these three are showing up, then you need to go to your settings, channel status and features, and then enable custom thumbnails. You can pretty much do that by verifying your phone number. So you need to sign into YouTube and then select, and then all of this. So they'll pretty much explain how you can do this as well. To upload custom thumbnails, you must have a verified account. Click on that, and then they'll show you how you can actually verify it. So my account has already been verified. You pretty much need to enter your phone number and then enter the code, and that's it. But that's pretty much how you can upload thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So if this video helps you out, I would appreciate it if you can leave a like on this video. Comment down below if this helped you out, and yeah, I'll see you next time.